baits for days. And bait for days. This is definitely the one for the most. Oh my god, look how many there are.
That's a net full of bait, my boy.
Alright, turn it off, turn it off.
Some of them are a little bit small for that net, but I'm sure we'll be able to shake a few out, use the rest for baits when we go bottom fishing, right? Threadies?
I like goldies.
Goldies. Put that thing in the water so it doesn't die. Now let's talk about what we're gonna do. Yeah, bait's getting hit like 150 yards up that way. Alright, let's slow this. Perfect. A little slow trolling with a live bait. Sailfish on, sailfish on. I would try to, if you can, clear those rods. You need me to come up there and do it? He's right there. Watch him, watch him. Take your time, take your time. Little sail. Don't get hung on those tips. See the tips?
Try to turn the live well off anyway.
Yep. By the way, that's a caught sail. You leadered him, right?
Yeah. Only one bait out. We weren't even crying.
I had just gone over a bunch of marks, and we were really close to that wreck. And I
Gotta jump again.
Oh, hey, but that's a caught fish.
Yeah.
Hey, good job.
I should loosen my drag a little bit.
Good job.
All right. That was, we were barely even trying to fish.
We were just getting set up.
We were getting set up, but we just had bait out, slowly trolling it. Oh, he bill wrapped it. And the rod went off when I was trying to set up the other rods.
Sweet!
Let's go back over that spot, set some more baits up.
For sure. Bottom? Or was it definitely a fish? Yeah, it has to be because there's really no structure below us.
Dark, maybe. It's something big though. shark. Big shark coming up. Big shark coming up. No. No. After Pompano. Look at the shark.
I see it.
Oh.
Can you lift before he gets him? Look at this shark right here. Nice lift, Aidan. Avoided the tax man. Good job. Look at that fish. They're so cool. Pull his little his pec fin, so those hairs, look how long those things come out. Keep pulling them. They're stuck to his body. Look at that, man. Those things are wild looking fish. Hold on, let me get, okay, go ahead. That is a cool looking dude. Hold him up by the tail sideways. Yeah, like that. All right, guys, so we're just running out. We're in about 800 feet of water right now, and we're looking for weeds or debris, and we just found this pallet that's floating. We're just about to check it out, see if there's anything on it. All kinds of fish right here, look. Look, right below the boat. You're gonna get attacked by these little fish. Is that a mahi down there below him?
Big tripletail. Oh yeah, tripletail on me.
Tripletail? Ah.
Little almaco.
Little almaco jack. Look at all these fish right here. It's amazing how that one pallet attracts so many different fish, and they're just attracted to my boat.
Yeah, this tripletail.
Yeah, I can see them. They're right out there. They're harder to see in the boat. Oh, there's a couple tripletail mixed in that mess. Yeah, buddy, they're ready to come in and eat. That's hilarious. Do that again. Do that again. Watch this.
I can grab it with my hand. Ready? I'm about to grab it with my hand. You're trying to catch it. He doesn't even know he's caught yet. Watch this. I'm gonna net one of these fish. Watch this.
Boat wait. Do it again. Do it again. How many you got? Let me see them.
2.
2 of them in there. It's unbelievable.
What?
Like fish in a barrel.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Finally, the trip.
First tripletail in a long time. These
Nice.
are real good eat, but this is definitely too small, so I'm gonna run you up. Trip.
Left side. No, left side. Pretty big?
Yeah, it's pretty nice to go. Just swim with us. There it goes.
He's turned around.
Oh, he came off. Yeah, I'm ready.
Ready.